Atkins Civil 3D video series, existing 3C, existing surface cross sections. This video illustrates A. Create alignment for cross sections, B. Create sample lines, C. Create cross sections, and D. Insert grid sheet. Generally, cross-sections are prepared after the alignments, profiles, assemblies, and corridors have been created. At times, it may be desirable to have cross-sections prepared of the existing ground surface at an earlier stage in the design process. 3 Civil 3D objects, existing surface, alignment, and section sample lines are required for the creation of existing surface cross-sections. An alignment is created to indicate the alignment for the cross sections. Sample lines are created to designate locations along the alignment for the cross sections. The ABC project base drawing is presently open. An XREF of the existing topo and a DREF of the existing surface have been incorporated into the drawing. Save as, SA, enter. Save the drawing into the drawing design folder. Drawing name, existing channel cross section .dwg. Save. A polyline has been prepared for the alignment of the existing channel in which the existing surface cross sections are to be created and is included in the drawings reference folder. I enter to start the insert command. Browse to drawings folder, reference, select existing channel alignment, open. Insert point at 0, 0, 0, do not place check mark. Scale 1.0, do not place check mark. Rotation 0, do not place check mark. Explode, yes, place check mark. OK. The polyline for the alignment is shown. Convert the polyline to an alignment. Home ribbon, create design panel, alignment icon, create alignment from objects. Pick the polyline near the lower left end. Enter. Depress enter again if the direction arrow is correct, or R enter if it's not correct. In the create alignment from objects dialog box, name, existing channel, type, miscellaneous, description none, start station, enter 10 plus 0, 0, site none, alignment style, C align without marker, alignment layer, C align, alignment label set, station tick with labels, add curves between tangent, no, do not check, erase existing entities, yes, check, OK. The alignment is created and is shown. Create sample line group, home ribbon, profile and section views, sample lines. As prompted, pick the channel alignment. In the Create Sample Line group, name, SLG, parent alignment, remove drive, sample line style, change to SL road, sample line layer, C3D serve sample, change it to road. OK. Select data sources to sample, existing surface with aerial, place check mark in sample, style, existing ground, OK. Section layer, C road section, OK. A prompt is displayed for selecting location of a sample line. It is generally desired to pick a range of stations for the location of the sample lines. In the Sample Line Tools dialog box, pick the arrow to the right of the sample line creation methods icon by range of station. In the Create Sample Lines dialog box, station range from alignment start, true, to alignment end, true, swath width, snap to an alignment false, width 50 feet for the left swath width, enter, right swath width, snap to alignment false, width 50 feet, sample line increments, use sampling increments, true, increments relative to absolute station, increment distance along tangents, curves, and spirals, 25 feet, additional sampling controls at range start, true, at range end, true, OK. Sample lines are created as shown, escape, The stations for the sample lines are shown. Create section views. Home tab, profile and section views panel. Section views icon. Create multiple views. General tab, select the alignment, existing channel. Sample line group name, SLG, existing channel. Station range, automatic from the start to the end. Section view name, section view station. Description none. Section view layer, C3D, section view style. 20 horizontal, 5 vertical, no grid. Section view placement, production. Plan production. Atkins road section, open. Select the ATK 32.4 by 22.8 layout. OK. Plot group style. Road section. All set range. User specified. -50. Left. -50. Right 50. Elevation range. Height 9.90 feet. You'd like to have 2 5-foot grid elevation labels placed. If you put in 10 feet, then 3 labels will be placed. Section view height option. Follow a section. Select the section. Existing surface with aerial. Section display options. Existing surface with aerial. Draw. Place a check mark. Label set. No label. Style. Existing ground. Data bands. No band. Create section view. Pick location and drawing for the lower left corner of the sections. It takes a while for the sections to be displayed. OK. Add grid lines to the cross sections. Insert Atkins grid sheet into drawing. Enter to start the insert command. Browse. Drawing reference. Atkins section grid sheet. Open. Insert point, specify on screen, place check mark, scale 1.0, do not specify on screen, rotation 0, do not specify, explode yes, place check mark, OK. Pick location for the lower left corner of the grid sheet. The scale should have been 20. SC enter to start the scale command. Select grid sheets, enter, 20, enter. M enter to start the move command. Okay, 2 grid sheets are inserted. One with horizontal 1 inch equals section scale, vertical 1 inch equals section scale divided by 4, which is suitable for a 5-foot vertical with a scale of 1 inch equals 20 feet. The other grid sheet is for horizontal scale, 1 inch equals the section scale. The vertical is 1 inch equals section scale divided by 3, which is suitable for a horizontal of 1 inch equals 15 and a vertical of 1 inch equals 5. Erase the one with a vertical 1 inch equals section scale divided by 3. Enter to start erase command. Enter. Copy the grid sheet to the cross sections. Enter to start the copy command. Select the grid sheet, which is a block. Enter. For the base point, pick the intersection of the first grid line above the bottom and the first vertical grid line to the right of the left border. Insert point. Pick the lower left corner of the yellow inside border. Repeat for the other cross sections. Escape when finished. Erase the green and yellow borders of the Civil 3D grid sheet. Enter to start erase command. Pick each green border. Enter. OK. Check cross sections. Adjust the vertical elevation range of a section where desired. Pick a section view name. Move the cursor and right-click. In the drop list, select Section View Properties. In the Elevations tab, adjust the minimum and maximum elevation as desired. Apply. OK. Once created, the Civil 3D section sheets that are created by the production method cannot be moved. If moved, they will revert back to the original position when the drawing is saved and then reopened. If the sections need to be moved, use Prospector, Alignments, Miscellaneous Alignments, Existing Channel, Sample Line Groups, Sample Lines, Sections, Section View Groups. Right-click the Section View Group, Delete. Do not delete the sections or the sample lines. Recreate the sections at the desired location. Section views. Create multiple views. Section view style. 20 horizontal, 5 vertical, no grid. Placement. Road section. Offset range. -50 for the left, 50 for the right. Elevation range. User specified. Follow section. Existing surface with aerial. Section display options. Existing surface with aerial. Label set, style are correct. Create section views. Place at desired location. If the grid sheet is displayed, you can select the intersection of the first vertical grid line to the right of the left border with the first horizontal grid line above the bottom border. If the grid lines have been inserted, erase the Civil 3D green border. Enter to start the erase command. Select the green border and enter. Cross sections are recreated. Section sheets that are created by the draft method can be moved without worrying about them being deleted when the drawing is saved and then reopened. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.